Vina.
Yeah.
The optimism.
I'm so excited about what I do.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah. I was talking to our common friend designer from Cannes, and I think he will speak to your team about sending you some more. Yeah, we were talking last night together. Yeah, because we're all like, yeah. I don't want to name names. You know, you understand that, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Because he was scared that he is jinxed. That's why he said, I don't want because I am jinxed. Yeah. But I said, no. I said, no, you're never a jinx. You're always a blessing. I told him. Yeah, it's been our topic since the past 2 days. See you, Vina. Hi. Hello. Hi, Chris. Miss Aruba. Miss Bonaire. The always loving and caring and mothering. Rwanda, many people are saying that your gown is inspired by Michelle D's Miss Universe gown. Ah, she loved it too. Okay, MMD like her post because her gown is inspired by the black gown of Michelle.
If you read my caption, it says that as women, we stand on many shoulders of others. Those that came before us and those who will come after. And we need to shine light on each and every one of them.
I know, so good. And she liked your post.
Yes.
Michelle D, wow.
Did she message you?
Liked only.
Private message?
No, we haven't messaged. I literally just said that we're inspired by each other and she loved the post and I thought it was so important to all of us to show how much we continue to inspire each other.
Is she one of your most favorite
Miss Tanzania.
So many
Gorgeous.
like I'm another of them.
The U.S. Virgin Islands. Brazil. Bom dia, galera.
Wow, that's
Good, so beautiful. Look at her.
fashion pages because of that. Yeah, that's a way to create.
Pakistan. Always stunning. And I love the hair. The detail. I'm good. I'm so happy. And you have good sleep? I haven't seen my friend, your Joss. Is he arrived already? I was with him last breakfast yesterday.
Okay.
Bangkok, yeah. Miss Myanmar, say hi to all of your fans. A lot of fans from Myanmar. Rooting for you, yes. And my beautiful USA. Look at you. This is how you prepared in LA for 1 week. Bye. Dzień dobry, dziękuję. So beautiful. Hi, Slovakia. Hi, babies. Belgium. That green is so beautiful. Chartreuse, right? Wow. Palestine. Hola. Ukraine. I thought I'll be seeing the twins sa Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. Hi. Trini, I love you. India, Manika, Nepal. Hi, Miss Peru. Look at those eyes. She's giving me Dayanara Torres. Beautiful. Yeah, really. Israel. You have lots of fans now waiting for Puerto Rico. Such a goddess. Last night you were just amazing. You were killing it. I know. Look at the back, the details, the earrings. In beautiful orange. That hair.
You deserve more.
I know. It brightens the day, right? So how was yesterday?
Beautiful, it was amazing. I feel like it's the day that we had the chance to put in practice, put it in
So
space,
it's
what we've been
practice. I know, it's like a learning for a driving school. Now, you are there. You're actually driving. But not in full speed, just enjoying the ride, right? And I felt like every day is fashion show for all of you. I can't imagine how many suitcases you have.
No, it's beautiful how the people
Just drink
not just for the Rican, but
anything to boost your energy.
I love you, baby. This is another gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful girl, El Salvador, who's been like consistent every day. I know a lot of your people are so happy and excited, like following you. And it's Miss Universe season. Hi, Zambia. Your fans are like happy. Thank you. Korea, Botswana. Last night you're just stunning. I have a video. I haven't sent it to you. Beautiful. Yeah, your twin Kazakhstan is there. I said, where is she? Where is she? The other one. Hi, Saint Lucia. Look at those earrings. It's so beautiful. Those earrings are so beautiful. And I love the salmon color here.
Is this your first time in Japan?
Gorgeous. Joanna, don't hide. Say hi to all of your your fans. Look at her color. Isn't it stunning on her? I know, the slit is slitting. Ooh, beautiful. Hope all of you have a good sleep. Yeah? And also she's been like, people are asking for her. She's a goddess, you know. She's a top model, I can say. Look at her.
Good.
Just beautiful.
So far.
So we are waiting for the other girls. We have Nadia here. Nadia. Yummilex. So yummy. Yummilex. The color. The earrings.
Yeah, of course.
I love you. Beautiful in orange. Hi, Malaysia. We have Miss Gran. Did Cote d'Ivoire just pass by? No. I saw her already.
She's in the
There. She's there. Emma, Mary, Pampanga. Grand International now. Mabahong Phuket o malaking Phuket? Beautiful Phuket. Beautiful. And Yona Beach is amazing. It's all white. It's giving me White Lotus vibe. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. Because their hotel is at Four Seasons. Hi, baby, Miss Switzerland. Hi. Olivia. Olivia. I love you, baby. Nadia. They're so beautiful. Those earrings, Nadia. I love you. Hi, Cuba. Always stunning, statuesque. See you. And then the Emma married. Pero parang lumalaban pa rin eh.
Pero kahit wala kang ginagawa, namumuksa ka pa rin.
Oo.
Emma,
Emma!
baklang-bakla talaga.
So, they are